Recording.
Alright, so there's the Foothills Parkway. And we're going to run to the store, the Deals Gap store. So this will give you a feel of how far Foothills Parkway is if you're going from the Deals Gap store to the Foothills Parkway and then possibly up to like Sloppy Hog for lunch. That's where I should be headed right now, is Sloppy Hog for lunch. I'm kind of hungry. It's been a pretty uneventful Friday morning, other than it's really hot. The temperature is down to 88 degrees right now. And I've only seen 2 cops, so that's pretty good for a Friday. Both of them were in Vonore. Fingers crossed that I do not meet any police today. That lake is like glass today. When I used to water ski, that was like the perfect. When we'd go out first thing in the morning, we'd try to get on the lake by 7:30. When the water was still calm, before all the other boats got out there. So we're gonna overtake this Harley. I don't want to follow a Harley up Deals Gap. So let's take them now in the passing zone. They're checking out the lake, because that lake is beautiful. That lake is underused. Of course, I'd hate to be out there water skiing and hit a log. That wouldn't be a lot of fun, but when I was younger, we used to do worse. We used to kneeboard in the weeds. Get off in the lily pads and the water hyacinths. I don't know what car club is up here this weekend. I want to say it's going to be European, because I have seen some interesting cars today. I've seen several Bentleys. Mostly I'd say I've seen BMW X3s. I didn't know that was a car club to be a part of, but they're here. Nobody's tapping their helmet, so that's a good sign so far. There was a crash when we came through here on Sunday. The rider was off the side of the road in the ditch. Try not to do that when you visit This is a favorite police hangout, and I hate it when cars stop at these two pull-offs and just park there for whatever reason. But both of those two, how cool would it be if you could go into a bike's history and see all the places it's been? I'd be interested to know how many times this bike has seen Deals Gap in the last 25 years of its existence. Some hot rods. I want to say this road was more enjoyable when the speed limit was 55. The 90s, early 2000s. There are slayers up here that know the names of every one of these corners. I don't care if you put a sign